My alarm goes off at 7 a.m. Go off means to start ringing or making a noise, usually for an alarm or timer. Yesterday, my alarm went off at 5 a.m. because I had a maths test to study for. I usually wake up at 7 a.m., but my mother wakes up at 6 a.m. to prepare breakfast. Wake up means to open your eyes, stop sleeping, and become conscious. My sister wakes up at 9 a.m. because she likes to sleep in. On weekends, my father wakes up late because he doesn't have to go to work. Sometimes my dog wakes me up by barking loudly. I turn off my alarm as soon as it rings. Turn off means to deactivate something. Sometimes I accidentally turn off my alarm and fall back asleep. It's crucial to start your day on time, especially if you rely on an alarm clock. My sister always forgets to turn off the lights before leaving her room. I make sure to turn off the TV before going to bed. After waking up, I get up from bed at around 7:10 a.m. Get up means to rise from your bed and start your day. It involves physically moving out of bed, indicating the start of your activities. My father, however, gets up at 5:30 a.m. to go for a jog. My little brother finds it hard to get up early for school. On Saturdays, I get up much later than usual. On Sundays, I love to sleep in until 10 a.m. My brother, on the other hand, never sleeps in because he enjoys early mornings. Sleep in means to stay in bed later than usual. During holidays, I take the chance to sleep in as much as possible. My parents rarely sleep in because they have many responsibilities. I turn on the light immediately after getting up to brighten the room. Turn on means to activate something, such as a light or device. My sister prefers not to turn on the light until later in the morning. My dad turns on the coffee machine first thing in the morning. We turn on the heater on cold mornings. Then I work out with my dumbbells. Work out means to exercise in order to improve the strength or appearance of your body. My brother tries to work out at the gym at least 4 times a week. After getting up, my sister brushes out her hair. Brush out means to remove the knots from your hair. Then she pulls back her hair into a ponytail. Pull back means to move hair backwards or away from the face. After getting up, I take off my pajamas and take a shower. Take off means to remove an item of clothing. You can take off a hat, take off your glasses, or take off your clothes, which normally means everything you are wearing. I usually turn up the volume of the music player so I can hear it when I'm taking a shower. To turn up the volume means to make the volume louder. But sometimes my sister asks me to turn down the volume as she is still sleeping. To turn down means to make the volume decrease. Every morning I look at my closet and I pick out my outfit for the day. Pick out means to choose something carefully from a selection. For my sister, she takes lots of time in the morning to pick out an outfit. After picking out an outfit, I put on my clothes. Put on means to dress yourself in clothes, shoes, makeup, or something similar. This step is about getting dressed appropriately for the activities planned for the day. On weekends, I put on casual clothes like jeans and a t-shirt. My sister takes forever to put on her makeup. I put on a jacket because it was chilly outside. Slip-on means to put clothing on quickly and easily. After putting on my clothes, I slip on my shoes before heading downstairs. My sister slipped on her sandals and went out to play. After breakfast, I slipped on my coat. Now, it's time for the quiz. Let's see how well you remember the phrasal verbs we've covered. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate phrasal verb selected from the choices given in the brackets. Fantastic work on the quiz. Make sure to stay connected with our channel for more engaging videos like this one. If you want to dive deeper into phrasal verbs, check out our comprehensive phrasal verbs playlist for more lessons and practice. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.